How's it going, everybody?
Hi. We are starting.
Yes, we are. And welcome to our very first episode of Super Mario 3D All Stars. This is going to be, I believe, a long series, but the thing is that it's going to be an on and off series. I've got Amanda here,
Sup?
who hasn't had any words of wisdom in.
My wisdom has depleted. That is the reason for this.
Where is. And do you know how to regain your wisdom?
I'll get back to you on that one.
We'll be right back. Do, 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 do.
If only you learned how to video edit, you could just put that in.
I will one day.
You'll go back through all our episodes where we reference something, stick it in.
Maybe. But, so...
Ooh. I like how we had to stop just to listen to this.
Shh, wait. If only we
If
had
only you guys
phased
could
cams.
see us.
We're just giving out the baby penguin. Throw
Jumping
it off the edge.
Oh, sweet. Okay,
Run.
we should probably explain what we're going to do for this series.
So the thing is that for this series, we're going to be every episode we're going to be switching who plays. So we're going to start with me playing. For the first episode, and then for the second episode, we'll have Amanda play. And we'll constantly, for every episode, we'll switch back and forth. When there becomes a point to where we're going to get all 120 stars, but the thing is that there becomes... so Amanda never played Mario 64 before, in which I played the DS version and just a little bit of this game, so I know how to get all the normals. So I know how to get all the stars, but she doesn't. And... So the thing is that to make things easier, if she can't figure out how to get a star, or if a star becomes too hard for her, I can always take over and help find a star for her to make things move around a little bit quicker. Or if you guys want to in the comments, you guys could just comment if you want her to just try and suffer through it. Hopefully.
Guys, I'm not good at Mario.
Hey, at least it's not a 2D game, because I know you're not good at those.
All I want to do is speedrun though.
Alright, and then after we finish Mario 64, we'll move on to Mario Sunshine. I have never actually played this game before. I've only seen a few clips of a few bosses, or a few stages, or even just a few fun moments. But I've never actually played the game myself, so a lot of the game's gonna be brand new to me, and same thing for Amanda, because she's never seen the game. In Mario Galaxy, on the other hand, I have 100%ed the game, all on my own.
I also used to watch him all the time when we were younger, so I really enjoyed this game and the
it's a
series
masterpiece.
in general.
The Mario Galaxy series was always a masterpiece, in which, unlike Mario Galaxy 2, where I had to constantly be looking up how to get every single green star as a child, this game, I believe I found it on my own. Such a beautiful music.
There's also a penguin in this game.
Yes.
Can you chuck him into space?
Sadly, no.
Darn. Alright, well then are we getting ready to go?
Also, there's...
They have the whole soundtracks?
Yep,
Dude.
every single soundtrack.
That's pretty nice.
And yet the download took so little time.
That's pretty cool.
So who's ready to start with one of the top favorite Mario games?
Let's go.
Look at that goofy Mario. Look at it. Look at it.
He's looking up at the sky.
It's me, Mario.
Can we do...
Hello.
Can we mess with his face?
I mean, we can rotate it.
I wonder if you have to be...
Is there a way to actually, hit certain buttons? What in the world did I just do? I just pressed the CL and CR buttons. What did I do? No, he's sleeping.
Can he do the Konami code? Did that do anything?
Ooh. Up, up, down, down, left, right. B, A. I can fill it with the nose. I can fill it with his head. Oh, no! That was a mistake! That was a mistake! hold on. Hello, it's me, Mario. I would like to have some spaghetti.
Alright, well, we can't make the whole episode about this stuff. Oh no!
I love this.
No!
Wait, listen.
Okie dokie.
Oh, I love this sound.
Peach.
Dear Mario, please come to the castle. I have baked a cake for you.
Make you a cake
Yours truly,
for you.
Princess
Princess
Toadstool.
Toadstool. Peach.
She actually has a voice actor in this game?
Yep.
Wow, okay.
And we have our trusty old cameraman, Lakitu. But as I heard in a video, who's recording Lakitu?
That is a very good. It's another Lakitu. It's
True.
probably just another Lakitu following him around.
Still, this game's going to be a blast to play through. Because I've only played at like a convention center one time. And that's it. But that was the original. Look at how crisp everything looks.
It looks really nice.
I know, it looks so beautiful.
Ciao.
You've reached Princess Toadstool's castle via a warp pipe. Using the controller is a piece of cake. Press B to jump and Y to attack. Press A to read signs too. Use the L stick to move Mario around. Now, head for the castle. Alright, backflip. Oh geez, the camera just constantly wants to move. Whoops. Breakdance Mario! Princess Toadstool's castle is just up ahead.
Is it now?
Press B to jump, ZL to crouch, A to read a sign, and Y to punch or grab something. Press Y again to throw something you're holding. I just pressed Y. I know you can like punch butterflies.
But why would you want to punch a butterfly?
I know that like if you hit like certain ones, you can even just get 1-up lives. Okay, I don't know why the camera likes to move around a lot.
I guess it's just something we're gonna have to figure out.
Also, it's sad we can't BLJ!
Nope.
Good afternoon. The Lakitu Bros here, reporting live from just outside of Princess's castle. Mario has just arrived on the scene, and we'll be filming the action live as he enters the castle and pursues the missing Power Stars. As seasoned cameraman, we'll be shooting from the recommended angle, but you can change the camera angle with R. If we can't adjust the view any further, we'll buzz. To take a look at the surroundings, stop and tilt R forward. Press B to resume play. Switch camera modes with the R button. Signs along the way will review these instructions. For now, reporting live, this has been the Lakitu Bros. Whoop!
There he goes.
Baby steps.
Baby steps. We're working on it.
Dole. Wait.
Have you been working on that?
Maybe. Yes. Welcome. Not home. Now scram. And don't come back.
Your Bowser is the best. I love it.
I do great Mario character
You
impersonations.
do. It's good.
First Kamek and now.
It's great.
It's a bup. It's a bup.
Oh no! Oh no!
I'm glad to see you. This the princess and everybody, run your side against the wall. I just see you guys are stars.
Okay, let's start.
It's your name, it's the greatest of all. You're made in the wall. Yeah. on the first floor. They're in the one with the paintable lava inside. It's the only room that Bowser hasn't sealed. When you collect 8 power stars, you'll be able to open the door with a big star. The princess must be inside.
We gotta put a warning on this video very loud.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
That was great. Okay, what are we doing?
I apologize to everyone. I very much apologize.
Apologize afterwards.
Let's go. Wow!
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 Wow! You're smack in the middle of the battlefield. You'll find the power stars that Bowser stole inside the painting worlds. First, talk to the Baba and Babam buddy. Press A to talk. He'll certainly help you out. And so will his comrades in other areas. To read signs, stop, face them, and press A. Press A or B to scroll ahead. You can talk to some other characters by facing them and pressing A. Hello!
It's Bobby!
No, these are the pink Babams. Watch out! If you wander around here, you're liable to be blasted by a water bomb. Those enemy bombs love to fight, and they're always finding ways to attack. This meadow has become a battlefield ever since the big Babam got his paws on the power star. Can you recover the star for us? Cross the bridge and go left up the path to find the big Babam. Please come back to see me after you retrieve the power star. Hello. Bip 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 bip.
Yes.
Hey you. It's dangerous to go alone. So listen up. So I start thinking of Zelda. It's like it's too dangerous to go alone.
Take that.
Listen this. Listen this.
Yep.
Take my advice. Cross the 2 bridges ahead. Then watch for falling water bombs. The big Babam at the top of the mountain is very powerful. Don't let him grab you. We're Babam buddies. And we're on your side. You can talk to us whenever you'd like to. He's a friendly boy.
He's a friendly boy. You just wanted to run and jump on him? Oh, what do we do with the block?
I mean, you could just simply just go, yeet! Whoa!
Whoa!
Should we just go for the King
I
Badabadam?
do not like that.
Yeah.
I do not like that.
Yep, that's just how the chain chomp is. I'm guessing now we're just going for the big Bada. No! He just blew up into a coin. Alright. Ah, this is such a beautiful game. Whoa. Get out of here. I think we're good. I heard an explosion. Ooh, heart. But then again, we already are full health. Oh!
Ooh. This guy looks so angry.
Which guy?
That guy.
King Badam?
Yeah.
But doesn't he have a fabulous mustache?
Oh, he does have a fabulous mustache.
I am the big Babam, lord of all blasting matter, king of kabooms and the world over. How dare you scale my mountain? By what right do you set foot on my imperial mountaintop? You may have eluded my guards, but you'll never escape my grasp. And you'll never take away my power star. I hereby challenge you, Mario. If you want the star, I hold you must prove yourself in battle. Can you pick me up from the back and hurl me to this royal turf? I think you cannot. Oh, that's low poly Mario. So watch whenever I move. Look at Mario's face. And then where I up up. No. No.
No, 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 no.
And yoink. Oh. Oh! Oi! Oh! Can't catch me? I'm too fast for ya. Oh! What? Can it be that a pipsqueak like you has defused the Bob-omb King? Wait, what the heck? I can't...
Did it die?
No, the controller's still alive. No! Oh, there we go. Methinks my troops could learn a lesson from you. Here is your star, as I promised, Mario. If you want to see me again, select the star from the menu. For now, farewell. I have to press the B button.
Oh.
Damn.
Well, that was like the easiest first star.
I mean, there's something that we could do that's much easier. You've rescued one of the stolen power stars. Now you can open some of the sealed doors in the castle. Try the princess's room on the second floor, in the room with the painting of Whomp's fortress on floor 1. Bowser's troops are still gaining power, so you can't give up. Save us, Mario. Keep searching for this and for stars. Foot race with Koopa the Quick.
Oh, okay, so each one has a different goal?
Yep.
Okay.
Hey, Mario! Is it true that you beat the big Bob-omb? Cool! You must be strong and pretty fast. So, how fast are you anyway? Fast enough to beat me, Koopa the Quick? I don't think so. Just try me. How about a race to the mountaintop, where the big Bob-omb was? What do you say? When I say go, let the race begin. Ready? Go! Bye. Oh! 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 Boing! 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 Boing!
Oh, this gives me a lot. Oh my gosh.
Ooh!
Going so fast.
Because I am speed. And also, this music's... Nope.
That is not speed. That is a ball. See, you know all the fancy buttons.
Yeah.
I could be over here like, how do
Whip.
I jump? Question mark.
Oh!
Nice.
Oh! I came in like a wrecking ball.
So, do you have to wait for him?
Yep.
So, how we'll go just...
Hey, here he comes.
There he is. Come on, bro. The meeting time was 5 o'clock. You're here at 6:30.
Whoa! You really are fast. A human blur. Here you go. You've won it. Fair and square. He's a kind fellow. Now that was an easier star. I know that there's a red coin star. I know that there is one where we have to use the wing cap, but we can't unlock it yet. There's also the chain chomp star. There's also the island in the sky. Shoot to the island in the sky.
Isn't that where you could toss the bomb in before? It's up the mountain a little bit.
Up the mountain there is a... Oh!
That chain chomp.
There's actually a much easier way instead of just using the cannon. There's a lot of people who use these speedrun strats.
Well, are we going to do it the actual way or the speedway?
Let's go Speedway.
Well, see when I play.
You're just gonna...
I know absolutely nothing.
I know. Yeet!
So the viewers must prepare for super fast gameplay, and then
Super slow gameplay.
I want to get through one round probably.
Don't.
Now, it's even if the speedrun works for this, because remember they took out backwards long jump and all that stuff.
No. What it is that it's literally just a simple wall jump. And you know, maybe I should have went to talk to the pink bomb
Why?
to open the cannon. So you know what? Let me go speak to him. We'll prepare all the cannons in this course for you to use. Bon voyage!
Voyage.
Voyage! Ready for blast off. Come on, hop into the cannon. You can reach the star on the floating island by using the 4 cannons. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
You actually have to like curve it.
Alright. Nice. Alright. Oh. Oh geez, that was just a big kaboom. Alright, I gotta aim for that tree right there. You see that tree?
See that tree?
Nailed it! Nailed it, nailed. Three. I'm gonna do one more star here. And then I'm gonna head upstairs to another stage really quick.
Alrighty then.
You recovered 3 power stars. Now you can open a door with a 3 on its star. You can come and go from the open courses as you please. The enemies ahead are even meaner, so be careful. I'm not going to do the 8 red coins mission. I'll do that later, but I will actually let's make this easier on myself.
Isn't there another cannon on top of that floating mountain?
Yeah, but that would mainly be for another mission. But you got to collect 5 certain coins. Nice. That's okay. We freed him. Still, this chain chomp is terrifying.
He is
Bonk.
absolutely terrifying.
At least in the remake, he looks a bit better.
These stars are pretty easy.
Well, yeah, it's Bob-omb Battlefield. You want to know of an even easier star?
I mean, mean, sure.
And you're gonna love it. So as you can see, you just gotta head up here, take a right. Gotta give it a good star. Reacting to the star power. Star power! The door slowly opens. If that's slow, then what is fast for a star? Oh, jeez, this room feels so different in Mario 64 DS.
Oh. Oh, I know this, okay. Whoa, what is that?
Blue coin switch. Just got every single blue coin.
All I think of is the like Yoshi battle game
What?
in like the Mario 64 when we're all Yoshis
Oh.
or whatever it is. That's all I think of because that's the closest I've ever played to
Ah,
Mario 64.
phooey, I wasn't fast enough. At least I can get this star. So this star is very easy. But the thing is that there's another star to this area as well.
I'm guessing time related.
Yep.
Hey, what up?
I got 5 stars now. Once I get 8, I can go fight Bowser. Once I get 10, I can unlock the wing cap. So... time for speed run.
So in Princess Peach's castle, does she just like warp to every location she wants to go to?
I'm not sure. Come on. Yeah, controlling Mario is so difficult.
Wow, it's a ghost star.
Gotta do it again. I was hoping to do a speedrun strat because like the easiest way to do it is to literally just jump off the slide. But the thing is that because of how I bonked,
Yeah.
that's how most people do it.
Try
For
it again. Is there a way to do it without skipping like that?
yes,
Oh.
you just gotta be really quick and not bonk. Just gotta take turns quick.
Ah, you got the same time again.
Come on! Oh!
Hey, you're doing some fancy flips today.
Uh-huh. Come on, I just want to. Ah. Let's try again.
That's crazy. Like, no matter what you do, you're like getting the same time. That didn't end well.
Yeah. So did that.
Well, time to try it again.
I'm just trying to remember. It's like... I know that there's like speedrun strats.
Maybe you are not the professional speedrunner that you thought you were.
Well, I never really tried any of these strats.
Well, that's why we're doing it here, so you viewers can see us fail. They'll be really excited for the next episode.
Uh-huh.
Me failing the entire time. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Yeah!
Yay!
See, I didn't bonk on any of the walls.
So you have to just be
Really
below
quick.
21.
21 seconds, yep. Oh, it feels so good. Want me to head over to another area?
I mean, if you want to, I would say maybe one more star.
Alright. Let's head over to Womp's Fortress.
We You get one more star and say we have the perfect amount of stars.
Why is 7 for your favorite number? Racking to the star power, the door slowly opens.
7's not my favorite number.
Oh. Why 7? It's not even symmetrical.
7 is like a perfect number.
How?
I don't know. I've always just... Everyone's told me that it's like the perfect
Oh,
number.
lucky number 7?
Yeah, something like that.
Hello, the Lakitu Bros. Cutting in with a live update on Mario's progress. He's about to learn a technique for sneaking up on enemies. The trick is this. He has to walk very slowly in order to walk quietly. In wrapping up filming techniques reported on earlier, you can take a look around by tilting the right stick, pull the right stick and stick back. Back to view the action from a distance. When you can't move the camera any further, the buzzer will sound. This is the Lakitu Bros signing off.
He's a sleepy boy.
Shh. Gotta be very quiet. And we got one blue coin.
Yay.
Also, one thing that the remake doesn't have. These things with the eyes. I mean, like, they're still there, but they don't have the eyes in the remake.
The eyes are there.
No, in the remake, it doesn't have the eyes. And also, the swamps aren't so beautifully blue. I believe that I am definitely not trying the cannonless strat. Because you see that wall? See how there's that weird line, diagonal line going through it?
Yes.
So on the same platform as the piranha plant's on, like towards the end.
Yeah.
You see that line? You're supposed to be blasting away the wall with a cannon. But the thing is that people have found a way to do it cannonless. But I'm not trying it. Ooh.
Wait.
Yeah.
What?
Is it-
What?
Yeah, watch.
You just...
Oh.
What? Smack. Oh, that was awesome.
I know that whenever they're like jumping, I know it's a glitch that's even in this game.
Well, obviously it happened.
I like how there was a remake of this entire world in Galaxy 2. Makes me so mad. We build your houses, your castles, we pave your roads, and still you walk all over us. Do you ever say thank you? No. Well, you're not going to wipe your feet on me. I think I'll crush you just for fun. Do you have a problem with that? Just try to pound me, wimp. Ha. Alright, that strat failed.
No.
Hey, buddy. Guess I'll do it normal. The boring way.
The only way I know.
No, crushed again. I'm just a stepping stone, after all. Oh, grovel. Here, you win. Take this with you. Oh. And pop. Yeah. Jeez, it took us this long just to get 7.
We got 7 stars. Now he sleeps.
It's another bup.
We are not screaming.
It was Bowser who stole the stars! I saw it with my own eyes! He's hidden 6 stars in each course, but you won't find all of them in some courses until you press the cap switches. The star you found will show each course's starting screen. If you want to see how some of the enemies you've already defeated select the star, you can curse from them. Because I apparently have a cold. I am sick toad. Goodbye. Woo! I'm Ghost. Woo!
He's not my favorite toad.
Woo!
That was awesome. Okay, so that's what we were doing today, right? That
Yeah.
was the episode. That was great. I'm learning.
I was doing a little bit of a backwards long jump. Not really, but
Well, I mean, I'm learning techniques for when I play.
oh no.
Yeah, and a backward long jump, though, you have to pick up more speed.
Yeah, and the thing. I'm just looking up. I need a key to open this door. Alright, well.
Yeah. Wow, would you look at that column?
Well. This seems like a good place to stop. Hope you're all enjoying the series so far. What are you thinking of the game so far?
I am really enjoying it. I have always wanted to play Super Mario 64, so I'm excited to have this ability to play it now. So,
In which the thing is that in the next episode, you can always like go practice around the castle. You can always practice in Bob-omb Battlefield if you want.
it might be a little longer of the episode, but you know, we'll see. We'll see how it goes.
Mm-hmm.
I'm tired.
I am also tired.
We're all tired. Wait, shall we listen to Mario speak while we end this episode?
Yes.
We shall listen to him, and when he starts speaking, any second now. Look at those shoes.
They're nice shoes. I wonder where he got them. They
Uh-huh.
have no tread though, so he would have no traction.
Also, how can he hold stuff if all these guys have mitts for hands?
I mean, Bernie Sanders did it.
What?
Have you not seen the Bernie Sanders memes?
What, the guy? Oh, him sitting down with oven mitts?
They're actually mittens.
Oh.
They look like oven mitts.
Come on, Mario should be going into another sleep state to where he's actually laying down.
Go to sleep.
Go to sleep.
Go to sleep.
Go to sleep. Go to sleep.
Why is this man not sleeping?
I mean, he kind of is sleeping.
Oh, there he is.
shh, Wait. Jeez, he's a loud snorer. Probably louder than I am.
I don't know. I don't remember what you sound like snoring.
What kind of snore is that? Oh my goodness.
Are you sure he talks?
Yes, he talks. I believe it was this game. Or maybe it might have been Sunshine. I'm not sure.
Well, we'll let him sleep in peace.
I guess. Because if anything, he would have started speaking by now.
Yep. So we'll leave it off here with Mario
Alright.
sleeping.
Alright, we'll see you on the next one. Bye.